Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to watch replays in PUBG. So step by step guide. So here I'll be teaching you how to watch your replay videos in PUBG step by step guide. So here's the step by step guide to watching your replays. So what you do is open up our PUBG. Once our PUBG is open up, press on right here to the career right here. After pressing on career, all you need to do is go to the right here, but just pressing this or pressing on D on our keyboard. Right, go till we hit on replace. And once we're here at the replay, we can just press on that right there and press on play, or you can delete or you can lock our replay right there. And to unlock it, just press on unlock. Now to play, to watch the video right here, press on the play right here, right there. And if we want to disable or enable replay, just go to settings at the top right corner, press on settings right here. Then here you will see gameplay. Then here, after pressing on gameplay, here you will see here replay and that come right here. So to disable the replay, click on disable, then press on apply. And there you go. To enable it, just press on enable, then press on apply. Let's go back right here. As you can see right now, there's about only 20 replay lists that are available right here maximum. You can refresh it if you want. Then after doing that, let's click on the play right here. So this is what it will look like. Choose one and then play. As you see right now, it is loading. But yeah, that's how you do it. There we go. As you can see right now, it is now on the loading screen right here. So a quick tip for you guys on the replay. I suggest disabling replay if you don't have that much storage. But if you have much storage, a lot of storage, I suggest enabling it. But there you go. As you can see right now, we are at our replay right here. As you can see right here. There you go. There you go. This is our replay right here. So we have a few stuff. As you can see right now, if you are guessing why am I like flying, stuff like that, because I enabled the free cam view. So here at the free cam view, I can see, there you go, I can see who are the other people. I can watch other people play. There you go. To all the area. There you go, spectator. There you go. Watch all of them. So you can do that if you want. And once you click on J right here, you can see the time of how long you can watch the replay for. You can move it until 3 minutes and 22 seconds. So that's how long that I'm alive in the game. There you go guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. My questions, leave it down comments below, and happy to answer you guys, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.